Okay, good morning dito ating mga kaibigan, Pinas Rider! Woo! Good morning!
Pinas Rider.
Good morning! Good morning, brother!
Good morning, Iron Man.
Yes, yes, brother! Okay, bigyan natin. Okay, dito kami sa Ayala Car Free at ito yung mga bike nila, napakaganda. Woo! Can I make a video with your bike?
Dapat yung 1 million views ka dyan.
Okay lang. Can I make a video with your bike? Ay, yes, yes.
Baka naman.
Okay. Ah. I like this one. This one, I like this one. It's a work of art. Okay, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman po ang ating adventure, Iron Man. Ito ang unang adventure ni Iron Man ngayong 2025. Ito ang starting point ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay, start na tayo sa ating adventure. Good morning! Okay, nandito pa lang tayo sa San Antonio Village, Makati. At papunta na tayo sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay, good morning! Okay, nandito pa lang tayo sa Buendia, Makati. At papunta na tayo ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Good morning! Nandito na tayo sa Ayala Avenue at ito ang starting point ng ating Ayala Car Free Sunday. Good morning 2025! Good morning! Okay, yan ang mga kaibigan natin at medyo madaling araw ngayon at medyo madilim pa dito sa Ayala Avenue at nakikita natin marami na tayo kasamang nagjo-jogging. Woo! Good morning! Okay, that's it. We made a lot of friends dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. At hindi na natin mahahabol yung matutuloy na Team 900 East. Hindi na natin mahahabol sila Brother Angelo at Brother Dex. Anyway, woo, ride safe lang sa inyo lahat. At hey, by the way, which this one? I can't see you. Hey, that's my friend. Woo! Thank you very much, my friend. Nandito na tayo sa Manila Peninsula. Woo! Yeah. Ano? Ito yung magandang waterfalls. Ayun oh, kitang kita oh. Wow! Ayan ang kaibigan natin. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Ayala Triangle. At ito, dito yung mga activities. Woo! Good morning! Yeah! Woo! Atan, lupit ng mga uniform niya. Woo!
Good morning.
Good morning! Okay, that's it. Yun ang mga friends natin. Woo! Good morning, good morning! Woo! Good morning! Wow! What a smile! Yung mga kaibigan natin. Choo! Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning!
Kapamilya po.
Hey, what's up? Damuhu! Eh mga friends natin, mga damuhu! Okay. Hot pot. Marami tayong friends dito. Iba-ibang different kinds of bicycle. Okay. That's it. Okay, good morning. This is my friend from
Just a bit YouTube
Just a Bit YouTube channel. Watching
Ayala
Scott.
everyday, car free.
yes. Yes, my friend.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Woo! Thank you very much, my
Thank
friend.
you. Ride safe.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yan ang masayang adventure natin. Ironman adventure dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday 2025. Woo! Good morning! Okay, good morning. Who's my friend? Woo! Good morning, friend.
Hi, Mia. Happy New Year. Tsaka reminders lang na lagi tayo makipagkapwa sa daan at bawal ang maging bastos.
Yes. That's the word from my friend.
Ride safe always.
Ride safe. Dito sa Ayala Car Free. Woo! Thank you very much, my friend. Woo! Guys, Nice ka ha? Okay, good morning! Nandito si Spider-Man! Akala mo hindi kita makakilala ha? Nakaamoy ko, amoy spider eh.
Shout out to my kids.
Okay, this is my good friend.
Uraro.
Woo!
Shout out sa Uraro.
Ito napakasaya rito with the Spider-Man! That's my friend Romel. Okay. Mukhang may rides kayo ah.
Ito lang kami, master.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot-ikot.
Okay. Ride safe. Oh, Romel, thank you. Woo! That's Spider-Man, you know? That's my friend, Spider-Man. Hey, what's up? Can I make a video with you? Oh, okay. Hey, this is my friend from
Portugal.
what country? I'm from
Portugal.
Portugal. I have a friend there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Manila.
Wow. Yeah, this sister.
Bye.
Right. Thank you. Say my friends to Portugal.
Portugal.
Yeah.
Portugal.
Portugal. Okay, that's my... Okay mga kaibigan, nandito ang ating kaibigan. Ang superhero ng mga bisikleta. Yorvin! Hurrah! So, mga... Okay, brother. Right safe. Happy 2025. Yan si Yorme. Yorme! Yan ang ating kaibigan si Yorme. Hey, kids! What's up? Wait. Okay, that's all. Oh, this is my friend, Amos. Hey, you greet your friend?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where your friend? And your mommy, your daddy?
yeah.
Yeah.
Picture.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, this is my friend from Ayala Coffee. And this one also your friend? Your friend? Your name? Yeah, this is Stefan, okay?
He's
Oh.
both of you. Good.
Oh, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
You are good of me.
Okay. Hey, good morning. Here are my friends from what country?
Pilipinas.
Pinoy pala ito mga to. I thought they were foreigners.
Hindi, Hello po. Greetings sa mga kaibigan po namin dyan sa Makati. Hello po.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend. Bye. Ah. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Ayala Triangle at nandito natin mga kaibigan. Woo! Ito mga magagandang vibe dito. Hey brother, good morning! Ito. Say hi naman!
Hello.
Okay, this is mga Mike Makati. Hey brother! Mga kaibigan natin. That's my friend. Okay. Greet natin yung mga kaibigan natin. Yan, tama.
Tama ako dyan. Tama ako, sandali.
Ang init.
Ano ba?
Thank you.
Okay, good morning dito ating mga kaibigan. Pinas Rider! Woo! Good morning!
Rider.
Good morning! Good morning, brother! Yes, brother! Okay, kaibigan natin. Okay, dito kami sa Ayala Coffee. At ito yung mga bike nila. Napakaganda. Woo! Can I make a video with your bike?
Dapat yung bike, 1 million views ka dyan.
Okay lang. Can I make a video with your bike? Yes, yes.
Baka naman.
Okay. Ah.
Bakit wala ka sa Baguio? Bakit nasa Baguio ka?
Thank you very much! Okay, meron ko. Friends natin. Pinas Rider! Woo! Thank you! Thank you very much, my friend. Ay, isa. Okay, that's it. Yan ang masayang adventure natin dito sa Ayala Car Creek. Adventure of Iron Man. Good morning!